Do you think love at first sight has now switched to love at first sex? Like people have sex and then they think, let's love each other.
There's nothing wrong in being friends with benefits or
Benefits.
sleeping with someone because love requires a lot of sentimental things and
And
it's not
sex bonds you.
everyone's. And sex,
Bonds you, yeah.
So maybe after sex, you know, that person is good and you can have that after sex pillow talk and shit like that.
Yeah,
So, and you
that's
can get
also a
to know
point,
the
yeah.
person and fall in love. Love can happen anyway.
More than love at first sight, I think I've heard people talking about the other.
Love at first sex, yeah. Having sex and then moving on to love.
I think so. That works better.
That
you
works
know the
better.
person better.
I feel after having sex, I've seen a lot of people falling in love.
Yeah, it has. Basically, now this generation is too much into
Sex.
and not love. So that is pretty much true, according to me.
So they think, let's have sex and we'll
Yeah, and
fall
then
in love
yeah.
later.
Or maybe it's just that let's have sex and then we'll talk about it.
We'll talk about it
Yeah.
later. But let's have sex first. Let's have sex first.
Sex in first,
Then-
then friends,
Then friends,
then family,
then family.
then how do you say humour?
Laugh every
Love,
day.
love,
yeah,
love,
yeah,
love.
every day,
Every day.
every
And
day,
then
every day.
You need to
every
laugh every day.
day. Yes.
Then in love. So love comes at 7th or 8th. First is sex.
Yeah.
You need to have sex, then fall in love.
Yeah.
So love is first, sex is last. That is nice. That is the way it should be. That's the way you do it in Paris.
Yes.
If you don't know that person and you have sex with that person, do you think that's fine? And then fall in love? Do you think the philosophy of people has changed to that bit? When I say love at first sight has come to love at first sex, so that means random people.
That means random people. Now, that's something really personal. Like if you really, if you're that sexually active and you have that sexual drive, you can go on picking random people and at your risk, like you can go on.
But do you
having
think
sex
this
with them,
works
you
like-
might fall in love.
You think it can happen? Like you have sex with a random person and you can fall in love with that person.
Yes, exactly. And love can happen anywhere.
Who gets attached more easily after sex, guy or a girl? She's thinking.
It depends again.
Individual
I
to
think,
individual.
the girl.
But then if the guys are, like, if a girl's a virgin and the guy's not a virgin and he screws her, her first time also she'll fall in love with him. She doesn't know what sex feels like.
Yeah.
So I say it's equal,
equal.
balanced.
Depends
On
on the
what?
mood.
On the mood. The mood.
Yes.
Probably the guy.
Probably the guy.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Anything. That's anything.
Probably the guy.
That's not completely true. Also,
No, that's
yeah,
his take.
That's my take.
That's his take, yeah.
That's
He has a right
Could be
to.
true, but yeah, sometimes girls get attached in guys. So it's variable.
It's variable. It depends.
Sometimes the
Depends on
guy-
individual.
Yeah,
It depends if the guy is emotional or the girl is emotional. So it's
But it can be either ways.
yeah, it can
be either way.
Yeah.
The girls get attached very easily. Then they start texting, calling. Do you want to?
You like that?
Do you want to hang out? So sometimes it's a bit annoying, but
annoying.
yeah.
I'll say a girl.
A girl. Why do you say that?
They get too emotional.
What do you prefer? Love at first sight or love after first sex?
I'll go with the second option.
So you can say the second option, which is love after first sex.
Love at first sight is of no use.
So love
Can't fall in
love
love
after
at-
first sex.
Yeah.
First sight.
Love. Love at
First sight.
Love at first sight.
Love at first sight.
Yes, because it means that even a girl has her some feelings which we must not spoil it.
अच्छा.
So it's like
नहीं गर्ल्स की फीलिंग की वजह से बोल रहे हैं आंसर की अपनी फीलिंग.
दिखा के कोई फायदा नहीं.
यहाँ थोड़ा मुद्दा गर्म हो. एक मिनट.
Love is something.
सिंपैथी दिखाने से कोई फायदा नहीं है मतलब.
अगर हम लोग बोले कि इसकी फीलिंग्स नहीं तोड़नी चाहिए इसके लिए
इसके लिए हाँ.
दैट्स रॉन्ग.
ये पॉइंट है. ये पॉइंट मेरा भी था कि ये लड़कियों को सिर्फ लड़कियों की नज़रों में अच्छा बनने के लिए बोल रहे हो कि यू मीन इट.
no, I do mean it. The girl agrees, then it's fine.
और अगर नहीं एग्री करी
तो क्यों जबरदस्ती करना है?
क्यों जबरदस्ती करना. किसी और के पास चले जाओ.
पर जबरदस्ती करने की बात
ही नहीं, हो जाता है.
म्यूचुअली पॉइंट है.
पॉइंट प्यार होता है तो कहीं ना
आ
कहीं
जाता है.
सेक्स हो भी जाता है. एंड इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लव. इट्स नॉट इट्स नथिंग रॉन्ग इन
अबाउट
या. आपको क्या चाहिए? प्यार या फिर हमें बताइए इस वीडियो पे नीचे कमेंट करके. हमारी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मैं सिड आपसे लेता हूँ इजाज़त. तब तक देखते रहिए बाप ऑफ बकचोद.